was working on this piece the other day and I ran straight into a creative wall, a problem that all creators face eventually. And then I encountered this amazing, mind-blowingly innovative app. It has thousands of templates, amazing AI features to generate ideas, and blocks to structure your writing. It acts as a social media platform and a social media content planner. Meet TypeShare, the app that helped me 10x my content production, write more persuasively and engagingly, and increase my reach and impressions on social media websites. The idea generator. It is a lot like Tinder. You swipe left on any ideas that you like and right on any that you don't. Or is it the opposite? I don't know. I can select or enter a topic, click on generate ideas, and then start swiping. Don't like the idea? Just move to the next one. Like an idea? Save it with the add option. Within a minute, I have plenty of new ideas that I can work on. Way too many ideas. What can I say? I am a hoarder. Let's get to the writing part though. Select one of the formats, in this case, an atomic essay. TypeShare creates a title and an outline for me so that I can get started with the writing process. Rhythm blocks. They're the craziest, most useful feature I've seen in any of the writing apps that I've used. They are like Legos for your writing. They enable you to construct well-structured and impactful content by selecting and arranging different templates one at a time. You have got introduction blocks, main point blocks, and conclusion blocks. I'll start with a simple point. I'll write as per the instructions in each block. I start with a single sentence opener to describe the content. I then write 3 sentences, of which the first clarifies the opener, the second reinforces the point, and the third rounds out the argument. And finally, a strong conclusion to make the argument rock solid. Simple, yes. Effective, definitely. And I'm done with the first block. I'll use another rhythm block, a main point block to make a quick point. Though we have other options here. Big explanation, punchy conclusion, or main point blocks. The app provides clear instructions. I start off with a heading for the section. Then an opener to describe the section. 3 sentences to further clarify and support the point. And one last point to make a strong conclusion. Boom, another section done. Each line serving a clear purpose and moving the reader along the journey. Moving forward, I'll use the rhythm blocks to further structure my writing piece, but then later I'll make a few edits to refine the writing. I can either download the piece as an image or save it as a new template. I can modify the format or duplicate it into a new one. The voice profile feature assigns me a role based on my writing voice. Am I a storyteller, recounting tales to deliver a message, or am I an opinionator, expressing strong viewpoints? Perhaps I'm a fact presenter, not just voicing opinions, but also supporting them with research and statistics. Or a frameworker who outlines a process or procedure for the reader to follow and achieve similar results. And then there are the F-bombers, those who frequently use curse words or sarcasm. Though sarcasm isn't that bad. As I'm writing a piece that provides informative tips and helps the reader to replicate the same process, I've been correctly profiled as a frameworker. The publish option previews the post. I'll throw in a short description. I'll upload a thumbnail to increase the click-through rate and publish. The post appears on the TypeShare social writing platform. And now I can share my post on other profiles such as Twitter and LinkedIn. Authorize the connection to TypeShare. Go back to the post, type in a description, throw in some hashtags, and then post. Here's the post on LinkedIn. It appears as an image as I chose the atomic essay template. But if you go with a LinkedIn post template, you will get text instead. I'll now change the format to a Twitter thread to cross post on X. Then modify the content accordingly and reuse it as a Twitter post. And if you no longer need a piece, you can also delete it. If you are into personal branding or manage the socials for a brand, then you can use the content planner to visually schedule all of the posts. One of the best things is that you can repurpose the content by converting it into images and PDF documents using this website. You can then cross-post the PDF on LinkedIn as a carousel and the images as a carousel post on Instagram. So you can create a carousel post directly by using the decks option. You can obviously customize the appearance, the colors, the themes, even the background of the deck. I'll add paper texture background to add some depth to the design. After creating the content, I can download a PDF and an image version. Then I can edit and upload it to Adobe Express or Canva. For a writing app right out of the box, TypeShare has a user-friendly design and interface and a very easy learning curve. And most importantly, it solves all of the major problems that I face while writing and creating content. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to my channel and give TypeShare a go with the link in the pinned comment.